I'm gonna be real with you, the fatigue is real today. And no amount of coffee in the world is changing that. So I am still in my pajamas. My friend gets off work at 6 and I'm still not ready. This is Stephanie. I hope she doesn't mind me putting this up in the video. She has requested a get ready with me, so I am going to do a get ready with me. She posts amazing flat lay pictures. I'm not sure if you guys know what flat lays are. Flat lays are, let me show you. Flat lays are a series of flat lay photos. I love her content. She is a total sweetheart. She is not an IRL friend, she is a beauty aficionado friend, and I'll link her down below so you can follow her. So enjoy this video all you can. I'm gonna ditch the blanket and then I will be back here for a very simple makeup look. Oh, I don't know if I can do this if I have the energy. Okay, coffee, let's go. So I'm back. I've put my Eye Therapy Beauty Pro under eye mask on. I am gonna put some Elizabeth Arden 8-hour cream on my lips because I love this stuff. It's like a jelly and I use this a lot in flares, so when I get my cheek redness I use it as a protective cream and it doesn't have any perfume in it, so I don't feel like I'm just slapping perfume on my face. We're going to start off with brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in taupe. I'm actually running out of this, so I need to buy another one, and I keep forgetting to do that, but I use this as a staple whenever I use my makeup. Then I'm going to prime my face with the mineral infused face primer from e.l.f. I'm also going to be using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD stick in Y225, the foundation stick. I'm also going to be using the Textured Neutrals Tati Beauty collection volume 1. I'm just going to create a very simple, probably not even a smoky eye, just a slap on color on my eyelids because I'm running out of time. This is my all-time favorite palette for 2019. A little bit of contour with the ABH Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit in light to medium. Mascara is Damn Girl by Too Faced. A little bit of highlight by Stay in the shade Do Me. And then I will finish off with some Revlon Ultra HD matte lip color in the shade Seduction. Again, these are like my favorite lip glosses, lip mattes to use. And then obviously like an array of brushes. So now that I've waffled at you about what I'm going to do and I have about 20 minutes to do my makeup, I'm just gonna jump into it. I'm really not taking much care with my eyebrows. Like I said, I don't have much product in the ABH Brow Wiz cartridge anymore. It is running on minimum capacity, but the main focus of my makeup routine is not really my eyebrows when I'm aiming for something that is very low-key. I'm more using this as just a filler for my natural brows. I feel like I have quite a good shape with my natural brows. I gave them a little bit, a tiny bit of a tidy up this morning before I had 7 different naps in the day. I plucked the under part of my brow in between my brows just to kind of neaten them up ever so slightly, but I need to go the whole hog with them and just strip them back to the not so wild craziness that is my eyebrows. Eyebrows are such a weird concept as well, like facial hair, but like, you know, just bizarre. That is my eyebrows done. Next we're gonna prime the face. Let this set on my face for a little bit. This is super like gel-like formula, and 2 pumps seems like a lot, but it is. But it just gives my face that little bit of protection because my skin is quite red at the moment and irritable, and honestly my best advice would be, if your face is this red and irritated, not to wear any makeup. But I know what I can and can't get away with after 7 years of having lupus. It is basically trial and error. I don't feel like this primer goes a very long way. Like 2 pumps, my whole face is done. Yes, it's a very thick layer, but I feel like I feel like it can be quite hard to spread. Also, I just have a very big chubby face. We're gonna move really quickly on to the Tati Beauty Textured Neutrals Volume 1 palette. I am so in love with this palette and I love the giant mirror. I take this everywhere I go with me. I took it home for Christmas because it's so diverse, because you can do so much with the palette. You may have just heard knocking at my front door. Okay, now Chloe's rudely interrupted us. So I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation stick. Somehow do a makeup look in 5 minutes. I'm just going to buff this out really quick. The good thing about this foundation is that it is super buildable though. But it was very expensive in my eyes for what I paid, because I think I pay about 20... I think it's 28 for the MAC foundation, which is my all-time favourite foundation, but this costs, I think it was about 32, 34. Now, granted, it has lasted me such a long time, but it is a super, super buildable foundation and I absolutely love it. We're going to go in with the shade Aura in just the matte colour to give the eyelid a little bit of neutral colour to it, because my eyelids are quite red today. And then all I'm going to do to make this the simplest of eye looks is go in with the shade Soothe in the sequin colour with the Spectrum A08 brush, and I'm just going to dab in like that. Tap off any excess, and then I'm just gonna place the brush along the corner of my eyelid and bounce it across, and then take it into the crease. I'm really not neat when I do eye makeup either. Like I don't know how people do it. They're meticulously neat and so coordinated. I just want to slap that on my eyelids and go. Chloe, are you a neat eyelid makeup person, or you just slap that and go?
No, I'm quite neat actually.
She's quite neat, of course she is. Of course you are. No, you're being kept in this video. Okay, the cough is being edited out of the video. Just gonna blend that in with a crease blending brush all over the eyelid. Probably as messy as I possibly can because of who I am as a person. It is such a basic look. I really I'm not aiming for something super glam today. I just want a quick kind of cutesy dinner with the girls kind of look. And then I'm gonna slap this mascara on my eyelids because I'm not the biggest fan of this brush. I really don't like chunky brushes, and I feel like this can make my eyelashes look quite clumpy, but I will say it definitely is a jet black colour and makes them look very full. I'm going to go in with my BH Cosmetics 128 brush and just dab in the contour palette in this shade here, and then I'm just going to dab across where I imagine I don't have cheekbones because I have chubby cheeks. And the same again on this side, and then we're done with that, and I'm going to buff it out with this Spectrum B02 brush using the Tati Beauty mirror. I love this mirror so much. I only want to define my cheeks a little bit. I don't want to go overboard, so I'm just buffing out the contour ever so slightly. As you can see, nothing too major. Then I'm going to go in again with the Estate Do Me highlighter with the Spectrum A21 brush, and I'm just going to swivel it around a little bit. A little bit of highlight on my nose. Okay, that was a lot. And then just across the tops of my cheeks where the light hits. Just for that little bit of glow. Look at that glow though. I don't know where I got this highlighter. I think my mum gave it to me because it was a sample in a Birchbox or something. I am now going to go in with the Revlon Ultra HD matte lip colour in the shade Seduction. Once again, use my camera as a phone.
Do you what you just said? Use the camera and the phone. Do you mean your phone as a camera? Didn't even mean camera you made me better.
Yeah, that's exactly what I meant. Anyway, and there we have it. This is my get ready with me dinner girls night kind of look. I am going to go for dinner with the girls. I know that Chloe is tired of waiting for me to finish filming this.
Stop it.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.